Hey guys, Josh Gibbons here. Welcome back to a new video. I'm sorry it's been a while since my last video, and if you didn't watch it, I'm actually going through a HAZMAT review for my Amazon FBA product. So, yeah, it's been ages. So, it's been a couple of weeks, and the update is I'm still in a HAZMAT review. It is ridiculous. Basically, when I researched this product, it was amazing, you know. This is definitely a product I still want to get into. Then I got my seller account. I added the product. However, I didn't add in the listing or anything like that. So I'm going to make this video as a solution for you guys to speed up your HAZMAT review, because I kind of did it wrong and it's still going on 3 weeks later. And literally as of now, the latest Amazon told me was they'll get it to the right team, the right compliance team. Like, how vague is that? We'll get it to the right team. So I'm still waiting. I still can't order my products in case, you know, it's not approved. I don't see why it wouldn't be. And I'm not finding Amazon support to be very helpful. So if you are about to go into a product and you think it's going to go through a HAZMAT review, listen to these tips. So number one, when you add the product, fill out everything you can. You want to fill out your photos. So, and if you don't have photos yet, all I did was use the main first one as a manufacturer image, you know, the one with a proper white background and everything. And then the rest of them, I literally just took a picture of the product on my desk. You want to take 6-sided images, so every angle of your product. So photos, a rough title, a rough description, rough bullet points, everything. And the most important part is the compliance information as well. So when you go to edit your listing, there'll be a header called compliance, and you want to fill out everything. So weight, dimension, volume, if that applies for your product. So on top of creating your listing and adding the compliance information, when you go to convert your product to FBA, so at the moment it'll be actually Amazon manufactured, so you're the person to do it, FBM. And when you go to do that, it will ask you for some HAZMAT information to fill out a little HAZMAT form. So you want to fill that out straight away. And also, when you click through, once you've filled in that information, it will ask you to, again, fill out the weight, what the actual hazards are. So is it storage? Is it waste? Stuff like that. Fill that out straight away as soon as you make the listing. And then when you go to continue through, it will give you a link, and you want to upload your safety data sheet as soon as possible. Get it off your supplier ASAP, guys, because getting all this information, I'm going to break it down again in a second, is going to get you through the HAZMAT so much quicker, because a lot of the time has been wasted with me, where Amazon have come back and said, oh, you need to add this information to your listing, and then the whole process restarts. So it's like, I've wasted so much time. It's very annoying because I just want it to be approved and for me to go ahead and start selling. However, we learn. So again, just to sum up, guys, add your product and you see it's going through a HAZMAT. Fill out the HAZMAT form straight away. Just some brief information about it. Click through, upload the safety data sheet, also known as the MSDS or the SDS form. Upload that straight away. Go to your listing, add 6-sided images, add your title, bullets, description, and then add your extra compliance information and fill out everything you can. So I'll keep you guys updated. I really hope to be approved in the next few weeks. I don't know what's going to happen though, guys, so we'll have to see. I just had to make this video to keep you guys updated, and if any of you are about to add your product on the Amazon Seller Central, listen in and rewatch this video, because if you have to go through a HAZMAT, I want you guys to do it better than I am right now. and so you can get approved quicker and start selling. So thanks very much for watching, guys. It's amazing to be making a little update video and always documenting my Amazon FBA journey. I will catch you guys in the next video, which, fingers crossed, should be I've been approved on my HAZMAT review, which is actually what I said last video. Never mind. Alright, I'll catch you guys later.